Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Yeah, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back, you will find it here at the cover of the A34, and there you will find another white box, and in here should be the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back, otherwise, in case you don't find it anymore, or if you don't know where it is, then you should use the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on top of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool on the paperclip. Just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in that SIM tray you should find here at the first position the SIM card, and on the second position you can now insert a second SIM card or a microSD card. In case if you are having a second SIM card right now, you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. Okay, I will show you now how to insert a microSD card. It takes the full position here. Fix it well, so you should hear a little click noise. So this is how it should look like then. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, now put your construction back into the SIM slot here. And that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with the way how you can transfer now the data from the internal storage to the microSD card. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.